In our recent videos, we previously talked about the importance of light and showed you the B&R light portfolio. But Peter, if a machine builder has the need for a dome light in their application, what do they do then?
Well, Jacob, we have the all-new Flash Controller to solve the issues.
We innovate, we elevate, we are automate.
So what can I use the Flash Controller for?
So the Flash Controller can be described as making third-party lights smart.
So that means I can take whatever light I have and integrate it with this Flash Controller?
That's correct. Any shape, color or size integrated into the same field bus for perfect synchronization.
Then I have the full openness to incorporate whatever light I need into the B&R solution.
That's correct. So the B&R Smart Light with external lights synchronized with your motion part of the automation system.
So the viewers are probably thinking, do I need one of these for each light I need to incorporate into the B&R solution?
No, so one controller can handle up to 4 lights.
Great, so I can take 4 different third-party lights and incorporate with one controller?
That's correct.
What about the cabling? Or the other things had daisy chain. Do this also have that?
So whether it's smart camera, backlight, smart light or flash controller, it can all be daisy chained to simplify the cabling.
That seems like whatever my lighting requirements are in the application, B&R have me covered with this product.
That's right, Jacob. So we all know the bottleneck in vision application is light. So whatever your lighting requirements is, B&R has a solution for you.